Hello YouTube. Found another truck out in the back fields here. It's, I believe it's a 71 GMC 7 or 920, sorry. She's pretty well far gone. She's pretty rusty. These were a really nice old truck. A lot of guys will take these trucks and do some custom work to them. They do make a really nice truck for that. I can't get the door open. Anybody that's familiar with these trucks, they were a really nice truck. It's got the bushes growing right up through. Pretty cool looking, really. There's still a lot of these old relics around everywhere, and right beside it, Malibu. It's early 70s. I'm kind of not sure of the year. The bushes are pretty well taking her over too. Part of the engine is still in there. It's a straight 6. These were really kind of an ugly car. I never did like the way the roof comes down like that in the center. Wasn't one of Chevy's best designs, that's for sure. She's pretty well sunk into the ground. Not a lot left of her.